What is up, everybody? Solomon here. We are at the VeChain Hive event, which has been fantastic, and super excited to say that we have Tyler from Safe Haven. Would love for you, Tyler, to give a quick overview of everything that Safe Haven is facilitating within the VeChain ecosystem.
Yeah, 100%. Thanks for having me, man. I'm excited to do this little interview, and I'm the Chief Partnership Officer of Safe Haven. What we specialize in is providing decentralized inheritance protocols and atomic swapping protocols. So everybody who has a wallet in cryptocurrency, they have a private key, right? And you want to make sure that your kids can get a hold of that private key to where they can recover that wallet and have those assets on their own. Well, that's what we provide. This little safe key device wrapped around my neck, this is what holds the plan shares that you will use to give to your beneficiaries. And whenever you pass away, they'll meet together with the merge authority and combine these safe key devices and essentially be able to combine all of the private key hashed data that was encrypted and fragmented and reveal that private key. And then once they have all that data, they'll be able to access those cryptos and NFTs. So it's a pretty important thing that we provide in the space, because a lot of people, they lose access to their wallets. Like there's over 5 million Bitcoin lost to current date.
100%.
Yeah. So, and the last thing, atomic swapping protocols, the reason why that's important and why we built that is to allow other projects building on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon, otherwise known as Matic, to come over to VeChain and build on our blockchain. Or likewise, if we have some projects that want to kind of explore the smart contract capabilities of the other blockchains, such as other protocols, well, they could use SafeSwap to allow their community members to swap the VIP 180 tokens to a ERC20 or a Polygon or a BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. And then once that foundation, that business entity creates the smart contracts to enable that product to run on that blockchain, those people can just obtain those BEP20 tokens and pay for that service on that platform. So it's interoperability at its finest.
What are you most excited about for 2023 from the Safe Haven crew? What are you guys building? Anything in the pipeline that's kind of really got you pumped up for this year?
Big time.
Awesome.
So we have Inheritee Mobile, and that's an application that's going to allow people to essentially bypass the need of a safety device. So they'll essentially be able to whitelist the email address associated with the Safe ID account of the beneficiary. And they'll be able, when I say they, I mean the owner of a state. The owner of a state will be able to tell the beneficiaries, hey, log in to the Inheritee application with your Safe ID account, and there'll be plan shares waiting for you to claim. And then now they have those plan shares, they claim them with a 6-digit PIN code, just as you protect the plan shares on the safe key with a 6-digit PIN code for an extra layer of security. And that's really exciting because it's going to allow mass adoption. It's going to allow people not to have to purchase these devices just to be able to make a plan. But we always recommend people to purchase the devices because it's cold stored and it's most safe. But yeah, and the other thing is IPFS database. So that's going to be combined with our Inheritee mobile application. And that's going to enable people to do a plethora of different things. They'll be able to start storing videos, documents, photos, any type of documentation, right?
Yeah.
So now you're talking about house deeds. Now you're talking about videos that show those beneficiaries how to log into Binance or Coinbase or any other exchange platform with the credentials that you gave them, and unstake assets from staking pools, and just work within that ecosystem, or even explain trading strategies. The possibilities are endless. And what I always tell people is it would be nice if the family member gives a heartfelt message to where it's not something mortgage, right? So.
Oh yeah, 100%. No, and I think you bring up a really good point, which we're just starting to kind of see initiatives around. So with mass adoption of crypto assets and digital assets, you kind of really do need that data custody aspect as well. And it's like safeguarding whatever it may be, whether it be a deed, whether it be a will, whether it be a number of different things that you can digitize and custody. It's fantastic to hear about what you guys are facilitating in this space. So thank you very much, Tyler, for your time. And looking forward to everything that Safe Haven flushes out over the next year. It's awesome.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
Thanks, man.